Hello and welcome to day 10 of 12 days of holiday tapping. Oh my gosh, day 10. I can't believe it. Today, we're going to be tapping on the concept of the universe has your back. So if you're manifesting something, or if you feel like you're lacking trust, you're losing trust in the way that everything is working out for you, we're going to tap that belief in. We're going to remind ourselves that we're always guided, we're always supported, and we're never alone because the universe is always guiding us. The universe is conspiring in our favor, and the universe has our back, okay? So whenever you're ready, let's start tapping on the side of the hand. I don't believe my dreams can come true. It feels like everyone is against me. Everything is against me. The universe is not working in my favor. Even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've only been focusing on the negative, I honor how I feel. And today I choose to trust that everything is working out for me. And that the universe has my back. Eyebrow point. My negative thoughts can be so overwhelming sometimes. It's hard to think positive. I've forgotten that I'm not alone. I'm not manifesting alone. I've literally been tapping for the past 10 days. And I know one great thing has happened. Maybe even more than one. Sure, some things didn't go as planned. But I still ended up okay. That shows that I'm always being guided. Always being supported by the universe. I don't need to control every little detail. I can choose to focus on what I want. And I can choose to trust that the universe will bring them to me. My dreams are possible. It's already unfolding. I'm co-creating magic with the universe. This has turned out to be the best holiday season of my life. And it's not even Christmas yet. I choose to keep this momentum going. I choose to focus on joy and gratitude. Everything is falling into place perfectly for me. I'm so grateful for every single blessing in my life. My vision is becoming a reality. It's already my reality. This season is bringing so much magic into my life. There is so much beauty around me. My heart is open to all the love and joy around me. My dream holiday is here for me now. And so it is.